Hi, I'm Alexander, and my project is about the negative impacts of greenhouse gases and how we can reduce them. My role is a reporter, and the audience is the local newspaper. My claim is that greenhouse gases have a negative effect on Earth's ecosystem and spheres, and we need to work together to reduce it. Some greenhouse gases like CO2, methane, and nitrous oxide fly into our atmosphere when fossil fuels like coal, oil, gas, and etc. are burned. They warm the Earth by trapping the heat in the atmosphere. When the atmosphere warms up, the weather could change extremely. Sea levels can rise, and droughts, wildfires, and habitat destruction can occur. So emissions are bad for ecosystems and human health. Burning coal and fossil fuels gives emissions that pollute the air with smog and acid rain. Now, greenhouse gases absorb and re-emit infrared radiation, which increases the Earth's surface temperature, causing habitat destruction and extinction of numerous species. We need to hurry to stop it. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency estimates that carbon dioxide causes almost 79% of U.S. greenhouse gas emissions, while methane is 11% and nitrous oxide is 7%. Transport is 28%, electricity is 25%, and agriculture is 10%. The top 10 countries globally cause 70% of all emissions, and that's where the attention is needed. These numbers show that how we power our homes, our cars, and our farms all contribute to the problem. But they also show we can make a real change. Just switching to clean energy, increasing transport networks, and adopting more sustainable farming methods can reduce emissions by a huge amount. Some people say that reducing greenhouse gas emissions is too expensive or it'll hurt the economy. They worry phasing out coal-burning power plants or changing how we grow crops will lose us jobs or cost us more. But the thing is, continuing to use fossil fuels will cost us more in the long run, in the form of extreme weather, health crisis, and disaster relief. Renewable energy is actually already cheaper than most of the fossil fuels in the world. In fact, according to the International Energy Agency, it's already the cheapest form of electricity around. Besides that, the renewable energy industry is creating millions of new jobs. So what can we do? There are obvious answers. On a big scale, we can switch to renewable energy like solar, wind, and hydropower. We can have policies that limit carbon emissions and spend on clean infrastructure. As individuals, we can walk and cycle more, eat less meat, recycle, and participate in local environmental programs. In the end, it's not science, it's responsibility. Greenhouse gases are a human-made problem. That means they're a problem we can fix. If we act, we can protect our health, save biodiversity, and give future generations a safer future. I'm Alexander, and I hope that this letter reminds us all that climate change isn't someone else's problem, it's ours, and the time to act is now. Thank you.